Hello everyone and welcome back. So I wanted to say before we started this video properly that there is going to be a giveaway next week over on our Facebook page. So I don't know if you're already following on Facebook. If not, you should definitely head over there so that you don't miss out on that. And it'll be super simple and easy. It'll basically be like this post, share this post, grab 3 friends to bring them over sort of thing. Super easy, nothing, like some people make you do 50,000 things. That's not how we run things here. That ain't happening. So if you want to be in with a chance of winning a hat, please head over to our Facebook page. You'll find the link down below in the description. And if I remember, I'll stick it in the comments because it's easier to find there. What else have we got going on? I'm going to have a summer sale soon. I don't have a date for it yet, but I am going to do one soon, so I need to get that ready. I'm also working on the autumn collection, which is quite exciting because that's definitely all my kind of colours. Autumn colours. So we've got orange, brown, burgundy, forest green, a sort of tealy colour green, and I might put navy in, but I also might leave navy for winter. I'm not sure. I haven't decided that yet. But we've not just got fedoras, we've also got cowboy hats coming. So they'll be kind of unisex, they'll be for anybody. And we've got baker boy hats coming as well. So, well, I already have them, but I've got to do the designs, obviously, and then list them on Etsy for you guys. So that's quite exciting. That will be happening soon. What else have we got happened? So this week, Olivia actually started grammar school, so she's quite tired at the moment, but she's doing really well and she absolutely loves it, which I'm super chuffed about because she just seemed bored in primary school. So now she's doing keyboard lessons and joining in with dodgeball and all this kind of stuff. So I'm quite chuffed about that. So she seems really happy. So she's quite busy at the moment doing that. I also I kind of went back to my old job. I got employed again by the same company to kind of come in and help out as relief staff. So I'm doing that at the moment as well in the afternoons. So I'm quite tired because we're not used to getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning and having to get ready. And now I'm doing 2 jobs instead of college and this. So, but it's fine. It's fine. It's not forever. At one point I will hopefully be making enough money on this job to be able to do loads of other things, which is cool. And what else? I don't know if any of you guys out there can work this out, but I'm having a problem with Reels. Shorts and TikTok, fine. Videos are working really well there. But I post Reels and it's like they just don't work. I think I've had one seem to work and it had maybe 100 views. And then the other's like 2 or 3 views. And I've been trying to figure this out for a while with hashtags and the video hook and stuff like that, and I just can't get it right. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if there's any of you out there that are really good at Reels, head on over to my Instagram. I'd really appreciate this. And have a look at the Reels and tell me what you think, because I don't know what's wrong with them. I don't know what's wrong with them. I don't know how to fix it. It's one thing I just can't seem to get my head around. But I think that's enough of me talking now, because I think I've had enough of talking now. So let's go and make this hat for the giveaway so you guys can see exactly what it is that you can win. Hello! Okay, so it's Saturday and this video is going out today and I am a little bit late in getting it out, but I couldn't do this last night, so I had to do it this morning. But look at how cool this looks. So it still needs a band on it, but I'm waiting for this to dry. I like to wait overnight for them to dry and then seal it in. But this is the hat that you can be in with a chance of winning. So if you'd like to win this hat, make sure to follow the link to our Facebook page because I'll be announcing it next week and you'll also get to see it fully finished. But that's it for this week. So if you'd like to subscribe, I'd really appreciate it because I do work really hard creating these videos for free content for you guys. But that's it for this week. I will see you next week.